International Day of Girl Child. It is observed on the 11th of October 2024. The theme for the year 2024 is Girls' Vision for the Future. This year's theme conveys both the need for urgent action and persistent hope, driven by the power of girls' voices and vision for the future. Today's generation of girls is disproportionately affected by global crisis of climate, conflict, poverty, and pushback on hard-won gains for human rights and gender equality. Too many girls are still denied their right, restricting their choices and limiting their futures. Yet, recent analysis shows that girls are not only courageous in the face of crisis, but hopeful for the future. Every day, they are taking action to realize a vision of a world in which all girls are protected, respected, and empowered. But girls cannot realize their vision alone. They need allies who listen to and respond to their need. With the right support, resources, and opportunities, the potential of the world, more than 1.1 billion girls, is limitless. And when girls lead, the impact is immediate and wide-reaching. Families, communities, and economies are all stronger. Our future is bright. It is time to listen to girls, to invest in proven solutions that will accelerate progress towards a future in which every girl can fulfill her potential. The 5 game-changing solutions with and for adolescent girls. First of all, for every girl, health services that protect against cervical cancer, HIV, and maternal mortality. Then for every girl, a life free from malnutrition and anemia. Then for every girl, a quality education that provides learning, relevant skills, and to exalt her own cause. And fourth, for every girl, safety and freedom from violence and harmful practices. And fifth, for every girl, economic support to expand opportunities and the power to determine her future. The background. In the year 1995, at the World Conference on Women in Beijing, countries unanimously adopted the Beijing Declaration and Platform for Action, the most progressive blueprint ever for advancing the rights of not only women but girls. The Beijing Declaration is the first to call out girls' rights. On December 19, 2011, the United Nations General Assembly adopted Resolution 66/170 to declare October 11 as the International Day of the Girl Child, to recognize girls' rights and the unique challenges girls face around the world. The International Day of the Girl Child focuses attention on the need to adhere to challenges girls face and to promote girls' empowerment and the fulfillment of the human right. Adolescent girls have the right to a safe, educated and healthy life, not only during these critical formative years but also as they mature into women. If effectively supported during these critically formative years but also as they mature into women. Girls are breaking boundaries, barriers, and the stereotypes and exclusion, including these are directed of children with disabilities and those people who are in marginalized communities. As entrepreneurs, innovators, and initiatives of global movements, girls are creating a world that is relevant for them and the future generations. The 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development Goals and its 17 Sustainable Development Goals, adopted by the world leaders in 2015, embody a roadmap for progress that is sustainable and leaves no one behind. Achieving gender equality and women's empowerment is integral to each of the 17 goals. Only by ensuring the right of women and girls across all the goals we will get justice and inclusion, economies that work and sustain our shared environment now and for future generations.